All right, hello, welcome to the weather update. 23rd of June, and pretty decent day today across our area. Depending on where you were here in Long Island, pretty dry out there. Off to our west in the city in New Jersey, they were dealing with rain showers, but here we have had and if you were out east, you have even clearer skies. So we had some cirrus around, more clouds. You headed west on Long Island, but other than that, fairly nice, clear looking, pretty skies out there. Good amount of sunshine. And then some cirrus around, you can see there. Some cirrus, but not too bad. Pretty, blue sky in between. I'm going to look at the sky there. And then we had some interesting, like the cirrus, and then a little bit of the stratocumulus, low-level stratocumulus there. It's always a nice little combination there that you have. Another look at what it looked like there. Very pretty skies there. This is what is at Argyle Lake in Babylon, of course, which is paradise. And here's some more views of the sky. It was really, really pretty looking skies today. Really nice. Really pretty. Really just beautiful looking clouds in the sky with the blue sky there. It's really, it's really, you can see, look at that. That's really pretty there. Anyway, let's get to the satellite imagery here, and you can see this is what it looked like today. You can see, look at that, over the east end, mostly clear skies. And then you can see the clouds over Nassau County, and then there was rain actually out over, falling over New Jersey for much of the day. Here is the satellite loop for the day. We'll show you the satellite loop for the day, show you what's going on here again. And you can see there's that warm front dissipating now. And we will see much warmer conditions tomorrow when this warm front dissipates. So let's go to the radar now. We'll look at the Ventus sky radar because I can rewind this. Not too much going on now, but if we go back to noon, you can see there was a band of showers over Philadelphia, western parts of New Jersey. 2 o'clock, you can see that band kind of dissipating. You still see a couple of breakaway showers here that were falling, affecting New York City. There was one that developed this evening over the North Shore here. Actually, it's a pretty decent-sized shower, actually, that developed right around 6, 7 o'clock there. You can see it moved into the city, and then another one developed over the city. But other than that, most of Long Island fairly clear. So let's go to the current conditions outside. Temperatures are 66 at Islip. Actually, it's Farmingdale. 66 at the dew point is 61. So a little bit of humidity out there. 64 at the dew point is 61 at Islip. And generally, we were only in the 70s today. Look at Gabreski, 59 out there. And look at how much warmer it is in Jersey. No, Jersey's about the same. 67, dew point 63 there. So fairly, that easterly flow keeping us fairly cool. With the dew points in, you can see dew points in the low 60s. So a little bit of humidity out there. Nothing terrible. Let's again look at what the conditions were like at Islip today. And you will see here that at Islip, temperatures generally were in the, we made it into the low to mid 70s today at Islip there. So generally mid 70s. So let's go and take a look at our high temperatures and precipitation today. So we'll first start with the high temperatures, and you'll see mid 70s across Long Island, mid 70s pretty much everywhere. Cooler where that rain was falling all day and they didn't see much sun. So let's now go to the models, and you'll see that this warm front is just kind of dissipating. High pressure is going to be in control for the weekend, bringing us fair and warm weather. All right, so getting closer to our area, we'll go look at the HRRR and take a look and see what we have as far as precipitation goes. I don't think we'll see that much more. We're going to be dry through, I think, fairly dry right through, at least it's showing us dry right through Saturday. So let's look at the dew points and wind flow on the HRRR. You can see that east wind there, and you can see the winds go a little more northeasterly tomorrow. North and then to the west and south toward the afternoon. You'll see the dew points stay manageable. Not going to be super low, but it's not going to be very humid either. And so it shouldn't be. You'll see that westerly wind develop more, I think, as we get into Saturday, and that's going to make Saturday probably the warmest day. And then we will see a sea breeze develop in the afternoon. You can see that right there. So looking at the temperatures for tomorrow, we'll have temperatures getting up close to 80 degrees probably. Maybe low 80s in the North Shore, especially if you're in Jersey, maybe mid 80s. Then the sea breeze develops, knocks temperatures down to the 70s. And then for Saturday, that's going to be your hot day. Temperatures probably upper 80s to near 90. Probably 90 or above in New Jersey and New York City. If you're on the South Shore, you'll probably be upper 80. You might get to the upper 80s early, then drop in the mid 80s, and then drop into the 70s probably by evening. So obviously, the South Shore, the place to be on your Saturday. Of course, the South Shore is always the place to be. Here's what the GFS looks like. Similar deal there. We can look at the GFS for Sunday, also showing similar repeat to pretty much the same weather on Sunday as we're going to have on Saturday. And if we look at the dew point wind flow, you'll see that southwesterly flow. Again, coolest on the South Shore will be the rule. Let's look at the skies now. And you'll see some clouds for Sunday. We'll just roll it back this way. Saturday, fairly sunny. And tomorrow, I think, will also be fairly sunny with just a few clouds, particularly in the morning. But let's use the RGEM, which has a better resolution for clouds. So you start off with those type of fog clouds, and there could be some cumulus in the afternoon. But other than that, I think it'll be a fairly sunny day tomorrow. And then for Saturday, we're going to see mostly sunny skies, maybe some pop-up cumulus. Looks like it's trying to show some in Saturday, but should be plenty of sunshine, decent weekend. Then Sunday, also plenty of sunshine. Whether will it be a nice blue sky? Well, that kind of heat, usually we don't, but this time we might. We'll have to see what happens because the air mass looks pretty clear that we are getting into. So we might actually have some nice skies, although it will be a little on the hot side out there. It won't be, it'll be, summer-like heat without anything really, extreme or terribly uncomfortable. I do prefer cooler, but, it could be worse. So that is going to wrap up this weather update. Have a good night.